Hello Year 2. In this SPaG lesson, we're going to look at what a proper noun is and how to recognise one. We've looked at nouns before. A noun is an object, something that you can touch or see or hear. They're names of places, of people, of things. So teachers, a school, a book, those are all types of nouns, and we call those common nouns. But a proper noun is something really special. It's a name of a specific noun. So for example, in our story, we've got the characters Jim and Smiler. They are our characters' names. You might have names of festivals like Diwali or Christmas. And then you might have names of places like Langley or Slough. What do you notice about all of those words? Jim, Smiler, Diwali, Christmas, Langley, Slough. That's right, they all start with a capital letter. So proper nouns, the names of things, always have a capital letter. Now, if you're not sure what the difference between a capital and a lowercase letter is, then every one of our classrooms has got an alphabet sheet that shows you. So if you're writing a story and you need a name of a character or the name of a place, and you're not sure if you've used a capital letter or not, check the chart. Proper nouns are also things like days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and they all need to start with a capital letter every time you write them. The same for the months of the year, countries, and always for people's names. Now, sometimes proper nouns can be a bit confusing. If you take the pictures we had at the very beginning, all of those proper nouns have more than one word, and every single one of those words has to have a capital letter. So if you take the teachers, and I've chosen Mrs. Abdi, Mrs. Cousins, and Mrs. Kang, you'll notice that both Mrs. and Abdi have to start with a capital letter. Our book, Dolphin Boy, again has two words, and both of those need to start with a capital letter. So we need a capital D for dolphin and a capital B for boy. And if you take the name of our school, we've got four words, the Langley Academy Primary. And again, every single one of those has to start with a capital letter. So it's really important that you remember, if you're using a name, it needs to have a capital letter. And if it's got two words, like the Sally May, which is the name of the boat in our story, both Sally and May need to have capital letters. So my challenge for you is to think of how many proper nouns you can find. So you could start with the people in your house. Not my mum. What's your mum's name? What's your name? It's a good place to start. Or you could do the days of the week. We said those have all got capital letters. Months of the year, places you've been, and it could be Tesco, Sainsbury's. They've all got need to start with capital letters because they're names of shops. If you really want to challenge yourself, maybe you could think of a proper noun for every letter of the alphabet. So can you think of a proper noun that starts with an A? I know that we've got a lot of children in Year 2 that would be able to do that one quite easily, because we've got a lot of children who start with the letter A. And then think of something for B, C, D, all the way through to Z. How many of the 26 letters can you find a proper noun for? When you've done that, either upload that to Tapestry or bring it into class to show to your teacher. And I'm looking forward to looking at your work this term, Year 2, and checking out all those proper nouns that have got capital letters.